Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today we've got a very special guest, Lisa, who's going to share her incredible weight loss journey. You know those ads that promise a beach body in just 10 days? Well, Lisa here didn't fall for that. She lost weight fast without breaking the bank. And spoiler alert, no kale was harmed in the making of her success.
Let's give a warm welcome to Lisa. So Lisa, how did you pull this off? Stay tuned as Lisa reveals her secrets to fast and affordable weight loss. Thanks for having me. You know, everyone thinks it has to be complicated or expensive, but it's really about a few simple changes.
Simple? You mean I don't need to buy a 12-step juice cleanse that costs as much as my rent?
Exactly! No fancy juice cleanses here unless you count my morning orange juice.
So what's the first step? First off, I started with portion control. But here's the twist. I used a smaller plate. The classic deceptive dinnerware strategy.
Exactly, I told myself. If it fits on this plate, it's a meal. I even named my smaller plate the Plate of Deceit.
That sounds like a title for a mystery novel. The Plate of Deceit, a culinary whodunit.
Or a diet plan for people who can't handle their pizza cravings.
So how did this little change impact your eating habits?
Well, I found that I was more mindful of my portions. And honestly, it felt like a win. When I finished my meal, I felt satisfied instead of stuffed.
Satisfaction over regret? A revolutionary concept. Stay tuned for the next section on moving more without the gym. So you're using a smaller plate. What's next? Did you join a gym?
Nope, I ditched the gym. Instead, I started walking more. You know those steps we're supposed to take?
You mean those elusive 10,000 steps? It's like trying to find Bigfoot at this point.
Exactly. So I started walking during my lunch breaks. I'd pace around the office like I was auditioning for a role in The Walking Dead.
And I assume you didn't get bitten by a zombie?
Nope, just a few coworkers asking if I was okay. But it turned out to be a great way to clear my head and boost my energy.
Did you have any favorite walking routes?
Oh, definitely. I discovered that parks nearby had beautiful trails. I even made a game of spotting the weirdest looking trees.
Who knew exercise could come with a nature scavenger hunt? Up next, cooking at home. Okay, smaller plates and extra steps. What about food? Did you start eating rabbit food?
Not at all. I began cooking at home more often. Turns out my kitchen isn't just for storing takeout containers.
Who knew? What's your go-to meal?
Stir fry. It's quick, easy, and you can toss in whatever veggies you have lying around. And it gives me an excuse to say I'm stirring up trouble in the kitchen.
That's a pun I can get behind.
Plus, I found recipes online that were super budget-friendly. Who knew you could eat healthily without draining your wallet?
Do you have any go-to ingredients you recommend?
Absolutely. Frozen veggies are a lifesaver. Just toss them in and bam, you've got a colorful meal.
Don't miss the next part. Sneaking in healthy snacks.
And snacks? Please tell me you didn't switch to raw broccoli.
Only when I'm feeling particularly adventurous. But seriously, I started prepping healthy snacks. You know those protein bars?
Ah, the mythical protein bar, the holy grail of snacks.
Right? I made my own so I could control what goes in. No mysterious ingredients, unless you count a dash of chaos.
And how did that turn out for you?
It was great. I experimented with flavors and I even got my family on board. Now they ask for my famous snack bars.
Famous? Next thing we know, you'll have your own cooking show.
Coming up, staying motivated.
So you've changed your plates, walked like a zombie, cooked at home, and made your own snacks. But how do you stay motivated?
I treated myself with non-food rewards, new workout gear, a fun book, or even just a night out with friends.
That's smart. Food rewards are great until you realize they've turned into a pizza party every night.
Right. I decided that my reward for staying active should not involve cheese.
What's your favorite non-food reward?
Honestly, it's a night at the movies. It feels like such a treat and it keeps my spirits high.
Next up, the final tip. So what's the ultimate tip for anyone watching this?
Just start small. Don't try to change everything at once. If you love chocolate, keep it in your life. Just don't make it your main course.
Chocolate as a side dish. Now we're talking.
Exactly. Balance is key, and don't forget to have fun with it. Life is too short to stress over every calorie.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. See you next time. Closing. Wow, Lisa. This has been incredibly enlightening and entertaining.
Remember, it's about enjoying the journey, not just the destination. Thanks for having me.
And remember, whether you're losing weight or just trying to find the best pizza in town, we're all on our own journeys. If you enjoyed this video, give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. That's a beautiful way to put it. Catch you all next time.